Hey everyone, welcome back. So we all can agree that Tesla is one of the most innovative, one of the most forward-thinking companies we have today. But I feel the true potential of this company is not even here yet. It's not been discussed. I have not seen many numbers. I have not seen many research. So that's exactly what I did for this video. I pulled out some numbers, I pulled out some research that's going to show you that how I feel, of course my opinion only, that Tesla is sitting on some hidden trillions. Toyota released an article, yes, Toyota released an article back in 2016 that they have sold over 44 million Toyota Corollas in the world. Since its inception, of course. That's a huge number. If you put all those Toyota Corollas in line, that can go around the earth 5 times. That's a massive number. That article prompted me to dig deep and do more research in that category. I made a list of top 10 US cars in that category, and I only picked 2019 as the base year because it's going to be very hard if we were to take from its inception because each car came at a different time. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you my research, and I promise you, after watching the video, you will believe that Tesla is actually sitting on some hidden trillions. So after watching the video, if you get anything out of it, only if you get anything out of it, then give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and like the video so this video can go to more Tesla lovers. Here's my screen. So this is the article that I'm talking about that Toyota released in 2016. This is not a new article. This is from 2016 that 44.1 million cars of Toyota Corolla or 44.1 million Toyota Corollas are sold since its inception. So that kind of prompted me to do my research, and I pulled out a list of top 10 popular cars in America, and this is the list. Again, this is not a complete list. I just wanted to bring out top 10 numbers or cars and then show you what they did in 2019. That was the base year. 2020 was pandemic, so we really can't take 2020 numbers. So in 2019, and of course the average price. So the average price of a Toyota Corolla is anywhere between $20,000 to about $25,925. And all these cars that I'm mentioning in this video belong to this range, between $20,000 to about $26,000. Okay, so now if you look at these numbers, and this is from 2019 US only, Honda Civic, this many cars were sold, Toyota Corolla, this many cars, and this 1 year, US only. These are only US numbers. All these numbers or all these cars, they sold these many numbers. Now from there, I kind of added it up, and this data that I'm talking about, I actually took it out from internet, so it's nothing, I didn't make this number up. This is all the number given on internet by the year, so you can actually go all the way and you can see how many cars were sold each year. So now after this, what I did is I added all these numbers into a spreadsheet, and it comes out to be about 2 million cars that in that category were sold in US only in 2019. Okay, that's a huge number. Now, hypothetically, and I'm going to go in more detail in just a minute, hypothetically speaking, let's say if 50% people convert to Tesla. 50% is a big number, so hear me out before you say that's not possible, 50% is not going to convert to Tesla. I understand. Here's my take on this. During Battery Day, Elon Musk mentioned that there is going to be a 25,000 EV, and it's coming. This could come this year or next year. You know, as Elon Musk said, this year, I'm pretty sure this is not happening, or maybe in next 2 years. We don't know the timeline. But it's coming. There is a 25,000 Tesla is coming, which could be called Model 2 or whatever we want to call it. So for this video's sake, let's call it Model 2. So let's say they launch Model 2 and 50% do get converted to Tesla. That's simple, 1 million vehicles in US only times 25,000, that's 25 billion in revenue. Simple. Okay. Now let's talk about here that the worldwide scale. This is only US, and we know that all these car companies are global. So this is some mind-boggling numbers. This is the number of Toyota Corollas were sold in 2015 in the world. 1.34 million Toyota Corollas were sold in the entire world in 2015. And out of that, 411,000 units came from North America only. So you see the demand here, that 411,000 units just from North America, rest were in China, and of course there were other parts of the world. Okay, so let's assume that out of the whole world, about 35.03195 people converts to Tesla. Now, I want to mention this number because the total number of cars that will be Tesla selling per year to the world is about 469,420. Okay, but let's not go there and let's keep the math simple here. So let's say if Tesla takes 500,000 share or 500,000 car Tesla sells for Toyota Corolla only in the world. I'm not saying in US, I'm saying in the world. That means we have 10 top manufacturers that do the similar number. Not the similar, but kind of the same number. So that gives us a number of about 5 million cars sold every year, Model 2 only, and that's $25,000 per car. That comes out to be about 125 billion. And we are only talking about the Model 2 that has not been released. Then we have 3, then we have X, then we have S, then we have Y. We have all these cars lined up, and then we have Cybertruck, Tesla Semi, which is going to be a huge business. And then we have Tesla Solar, which is going to be bigger than the car business as per Elon. So you see what I'm saying here, that the car that has not been launched yet has the potential of giving Tesla 125 billion per year, just one model. And then we have more and more models. An argument could be made that why I feel, or why am I saying that Tesla can get 35% of the share. That's fine. They can get 25% of the share. I'm pretty sure that's a very realistic number. But there are not only just 10 car manufacturers in the world. There are a lot more. I'm just picking top 10, and I'm getting a number here that, okay, let's assume that they can sell 500,000 cars worldwide, of that model, and that times 10 manufacturer, so they can get that market share. If Corolla alone can sell 1.34 million vehicle, I think Tesla has a damn good possibility of selling 500,000 of Model 2s in the world, and that you multiply that by 10. That is the reason why they are so aggressive in the new battery pack. They are so aggressive with the Gigafactory. They are so aggressive in expanding their reach because they know that demand will be there. The recent article just came out that in India, one of the other states offered 1,000 acres of land to Tesla to build their Gigafactory. Countries want Tesla in their land because they know that is the future. Not only just because of cars, this is more for solar, in my opinion, because countries like India, countries like Southeast Asia, they're not big on cars. They're more on two-wheelers. They're more on bikes, scooters because of the infrastructure. But I feel that Tesla has a huge leg up if they build their factories there with cars and also for solar. So that's about why I feel Tesla is sitting on trillions of dollars, hidden trillions of dollars, with a car that they have not even manufactured yet. So now let's talk about the stock. I always come to stock at the end because I feel that us investors need to keep our eyes and ears open for that purpose only. Okay, so now if you look at it, and you can see here that when Tesla was its all-time high, you can see Tesla hit about $900. And from that time till the stock today, when I'm recording this video, has been down almost 26 or 27%. Right now it's 659 in pre-market when I'm recording this video, so we don't know what the day will end, but it's about like 27% down, and it has been down all the way to about 540. So I feel that Tesla, where it's sitting right now, is an attractive company to invest in. Now, I don't just say it in the videos, I always promote Tesla, and I read some comments from the users saying that, hey, are you being sponsored? No, none of us YouTubers are being sponsored. We just love the company, we love the product, and we come out and give our opinion. Again, my opinion only. So I also go in and I play big on Tesla. As per the stock, I kind of never play with my stock. I have Tesla shares that I never touch, but I do play options on Tesla because in my opinion, Tesla is one of the best companies that you can make consistent money trading in options. So right now, if you can see, I have all these options open. I have 10 $500 put for July 9th, which is this Friday that is expiring. Then we have about 680 calls that I have that is also expiring this Friday. And then we have these 10 puts, which is for July, which is next Friday that's expiring. And then in December, and then I have few calls, and then I have few long calls, which is basically expiring on January of 2023. Now, as you can see that I'm making a good percentage, or I'm up a good percentage in Tesla. That's what I do. And in this trade, I'm down because I bought it when the price was high, but I'm gonna buy a few more to bring my average down. But as you can tell, pretty sure anybody who's watching the video, you know that by January 2023, Tesla is going to be more than $900. Tesla may touch 1,000 by the end of this year, depending on how the Q2 looks like, which is another topic for another video. But I feel that Tesla is on the verge, on the cusp of that exponential growth that everybody talks about. So that's all I wanted to share in this video, to kind of show you that how I feel that Tesla is sitting on trillions of dollars for the model that they have not even released yet. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you get anything out of it, please do me a favor and hit that share, subscribe, and like button. Thank you so much. Love you all. Until next time, you all have a wonderful day.